What if I could make you learn a symphony by playing a video game? Let's see how far we can go. The Weekly Game Jam week 253. Wait, Freaky Friday? What the hell is this? Oh, it's a movie! Okay, so from what I understand, it's a mother and a daughter swapping bodies and lives for a day.
She's bright. She's special.
She is.
Okay. So naturally the first thing that I did was draw the mother, which actually kind of looks more like a grandmother. And the guitar, baby, it's music time. Yeah, about music, I wanted to try something crazy. I don't know if you guys know about Beethoven, this guy that actually makes piano music. Well, I wanted to make a game about him and about learning how to make those symphonies, more specifically for Elise. So I tried to map some keyboard keys with piano keys, and everything was going just well until... Wait, I don't have that key. Wait, oh god. Okay, now I went through the entire symphony and we need 12 keys, and here they are. I never actually did a Guitar Hero kind of gameplay, so that should be fun. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11? Oh shit, I missed one. You guys should be glad, because at some point in the development I wanted to create this camera rotating feature, and I didn't have time to do it. So yeah, you're lucky. We now have all the key bubbles. That's something. And an area for the player to destroy them. Let's see if this works. Okay, yes, but actually not that much. Okay, it's getting better. I'm starting to see the symphony. The symphony is now complete. It took me around 150 lines of code. It's time to open FL Studio to create those piano sound samples. Wait, something's wrong. Much better. I added some post-processing effects. It's so subtle that you can barely notice it. Still on the polishing side of things, I added an LCD screen effect, and each time you press a piano key, it actually lightens up. I don't want an instant game over gameplay. That's no way to learn piano. So I added a live bar. The main gameplay mechanic is now working perfectly. Also now, every time you successfully finish the symphony, a new level is generated and it's going to be slightly faster than before. Here comes the game over menu. Ah yes, that's right. In the movie, there is also a teenager girl. She's going to be the piano one. Look at that shit.
Level complete.
It's brilliant. So you now have 2 levels. The first one is the girl with the piano. And every time you finish the symphony, you swap with the mother, who has a guitar and guitar sounds. Screen shake, screen shake, screen shake. And the game is basically over at this point. This is just me playing it and trying to get a high score. If you want to try it out, it's playable for free on my itch.io page. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, feel free to leave a like. And if you want to see more game dev videos, consider subscribing to my channel. Until then, I'll see you next time.